Hey guys, real quick before we get to today's video, just want to give you a little reminder. When we hit our 1,000th subscriber, we are going to be giving away a set of free whips for your buggy or four-wheeler, whatever you have, and these are going to be from Rhino Lights. So good quality whips. They have a they'll be Bluetooth, so you can work them right through your phone. Many different colors. They'll play to the sound of the music, so I just want to let you know about that. So anyways, without further ado, today we are going to show you how to check the fuel pressure on your Polaris RZR 1000. And you saw me do one on the Ranger, but people are asking me about the RZR, so I thought I would do that as well. So we'll open this door. We gotta take the passenger side seat out, so we'll slide this harness over. And the back of the seat, reaching from here, there's a lever. You just lift up on that. Pull your seat out. Wait a minute. Of course, the blind guy got caught on something. There we go.
Just the harness. That's all.
We'll set that right there. And if you come in here, you got a cover. Right here, we just pull this off. Slide that to the front. Got a rubber cover that's covering up your fuel pump sending unit and your wires.
Sprinkle in.
Yeah, of course. I told her it was going to rain. She said, no, it's not.
I was being positive. No, it's not. We're going to get this done.
Okay, so we'll slide that cover back. There's the plug there for your fuel pump and your sending unit. Or, I'm sorry, your fuel pump and your gauge, but you don't have to unplug that. Got a little clip back here. A little pressure on that. Pull the clip out like that. There's another little tab on the back side. There we go. Come on. Should have got me a little flathead screwdriver, but we're going to see one more time if we can get that clip on the inside to pop out. There we go, just like so. So you can see there's your fuel line. There's a clip that slid forward a little bit. There's a pressure in there, so you want to take this off kind of easy so you don't get it in the face. Just like that. So slide that off to the side, like so. Fuel pressure gauge here. You can see I made a little adapter to go on the bottom of that. So what I'll do is I'll take this off for a second. We'll loosen it. I hate saying this all the time, but for those of you who do not know, the reason you see me feeling everything is I am a blind mechanic. Not do we just have our YouTube channel, I also have a shop where I work on everything from side-by-sides to four-wheelers, golf carts, automobiles, lawn and garden equipment. So you take this hose here, slide it on there just where it's touching that nipple. Bring the clamp down almost to the edge. Just like so. Take your socket and get on this clamp here. This hose clamp, tighten that down. Tighten this down like this. There we go. So the fuel pressure in this, if everything is working right, should be between 55 and 60 psi. That's perfect. Anything below that, you're gonna have to replace your fuel pump. And you'll know with these fuel pumps, when fuel pressure starts getting low, they'll kind of start losing power on the big end, and of course this clamp just broke. So all right, now we got a new clamp. We'll try this one more time. There we go. All right, now we'll hook up our gauge here. All right, so like I said, this should be cycle the key on and off 3 times. All right, here goes number 1.
58.
Not bad on the first pull. Turn it off.
58.
And we'll do it one more time.
58.
Let's see if it holds.
It's about 52, 53, 51. 51 and holding.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
That
Slowly going down.
That could be a gauge error, but I will probably replace my fuel pump.
58 again.
But anyways, that's the magic. Oops. Okay. So easy, a blind guy could do it. At least that's what they tell me.
And you make it look easy.
Hey, how can it look anything? And then when you put that, when you put your gauge on here, you'll see you got your nipple sticking up right here. Make sure you hold that with one of your hands, so when you tighten it, you don't want to break this off. So anyways, this is your fuel line. We'll just press it back on. Make sure it's all the way tight, and then this clip right here. Oh, that was just way too easy. Pull up a little bit, that's secure. Let's wipe this fuel up here. Let's try to get that excess fuel out of there like so. If you ever need to change your fuel pump for whatever reason, I already showed you how to take the line off. You got an electrical plug right there. You just lift up on that tab. It's kind of hard with the rubber in the way, but you lift up on that tab and that plug will pull out. Just like that. Now again, once that's off, you take the fuel line off, you'll see this big plastic nut right here. Unscrew that, and your whole fuel pump and float and screen will come out as one unit. Be easy taking it out. You're going to kind of have to twist it and turn it a little bit. Don't force anything. The new fuel pumps that I run come as all one assembly. Don't get into that crap where you got to solder wires just to spend the money, buy a quality unit, and be done with it. Now, we will turn the key on to make sure we don't have any leaks. Can you push that brake for me, please? Thank you. And you have no leakies. This is the worst part of this whole dang job, is messing with this stupid rubber cover, because they are tight, and I see a lot of buggies come in the shop and they don't have them on there, and that's all full of mud and water and whatever else, and you really want to try to get that back on as best you can. So we'll talk about fuel for just a second. Another really important thing too is run quality fuel. If you know, you can buy non-ethanol fuel if you insist, but I tell everybody, just put 93 in it. I know it's expensive, but it'll save you a lot of money in the long run. And if you're gonna let your buggy sit for a while because you gotta do that thing called work or adulting and you can't go play, they make this stuff called heat. And for those of you who don't know what that is, it's basically dry gas. It's gasoline antifreeze, and it takes all the water out of the gas, and it's really good to put in your vehicles if they're going to sit for any amount of time at all. This is missing the push pins. I will get some more of those and replace them later. The seat and pop it. I got that seat and I'll pop that back in.
2 steps ahead of you, right there.
I saw. You always act like I'm blind.
He tells me he's not.
I do too. It's pretty funny.
Sometimes I do wonder with the way he's able to do things, but I know he's blind.
I'm nobody special, just a man trying to earn a living. So these tabs right here will come right like that into that bar, and that is how you check the fuel pressure on your Polaris RZRs. The seats are a little different on the Generals and on the Rangers, but the concept is all the same. Hope you all enjoyed that. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and set it for all so you get notified next time we put a video up. Have a great day. We'll freaking see you later.